What up mga B-boys at bakit? Ano mag-isa? Putang ina. Sa Jeju na ako. Mga bata masawa ay
Ang laging dinadala nito isa. Ang laging.
egg.
Ano? Seto no potato. Tapos may rice. Smoothie ang lagay.
Magtatanim kami ng kamote.
Kaya po kami nag-Korea.
Yan na naman suot mo sa video. Wala ko ng teting. Hindi nagpapal. Ikaw din. Yung hindi, jacket lang yan guys. Pupunta kami sa mall. Di ka alam kung saan mall. Ikot-ikot muna.
Auto mall.
Sa Pantok Mall. Ba? Ayan yung mall. Ito pa yung Lotte Mart. It's closed. Ganda guys. Ganda yung ano. Wow. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Korea Post. Ayan post office nila.
Sobrang lamig. Nag-face mask ako kasi nanonuyot agad labi ko. Hindi naman ako nagli-lip-tint. Kaya mas pinili ko face mask. Mga kamay nila laging nakapasok. Mantahan lang ako nakalabas kasi may gloves ako. Mga bata masawa ay manang-mana sa mga tatay. Mga batang Bugox. Dito kami sa Daiso. Lamig. Nandito kami sa Toast Cafe at siyempre bread, toast bread. Bibili pa kami ng tubig or drinks sa may 7-Eleven. Doon na lang kami bibili ng drinks. Pero may dala naman ako dito. Ang aking paboritong drink. Pepsi. Gagabi na agad ha?
Ano oras po?
5:27. Pero wow. Ang ganda. Soul Yarn. No, it's Jaja. Oh. Pauwi na kami. We're going. We're done buying some cake and breads. We're now going to the apartment. I don't want to talk Filipino right now because I'm tired of putting subtitles. That's why I'm really tired of putting subtitles. It takes me
Hi
time.
guys, we're going home today because we're done buying our food for tonight and our dinner. So we're going home because it's really cold now. I think it's 5 degrees right now.
You have to talk English
Alright, speak in English.
so I don't have to
Translate because it's really
put some
hard.
subtitles.
Baka sa kanya.
Kim Chill. Ay, kala ko siya. Ay, I thought it was Gina. Wala yung poging lalaki.
Wait lang.
There's so many.
Oh,
Ano ba yun? Kim Chu? Diyan, diretso lang be. Ito, yung ilalim niyan, dyan tayo. So after we go to the apartment, tomorrow there's a new agenda for waiting for Samchan. We're waiting for Cyan. It's cold here. The weather here is 1 degree Celsius. 1 degree, positive 1 degree Celsius. Oh, they have like Filipino motorcycles, NMAX, PCX, bike, so many things. It's already evening. It's already night because there's not much to do inside here in Jeju. We bought some coffee, breads, cakes to eat at the apartment. You don't need these things. Today is December 27. We arrive at the Jeju airport 5 o'clock in the morning. Then after that we go to the apartment. After we go to the apartment, we go to sleep. That's why it's already evening. We put some time on rest day. You know, you cannot I cannot vlog, I cannot make the video properly if I'm gonna be sick. He said mind your own eating. Mind your own eating. Here, I want this. I wanna try this. Sausage. Vienna sausage.
asa yung cutter? Picture mo nga.
What? The Raymond. Wait, I'm gonna put out the camera We're just gonna take a picture of this. English!
Go get some food.
Pringles. Okay, we gonna go get someone. 2 plus 1. If you get some 2, you will get 1. If you get 2, you will get 1. I'm just gonna get the small one. We don't need a lot of Pringles because
But
I forgot to tell you guys, after we land at the airport, we eat. We did eat at the, I don't know the stores. I don't know the store, but we eat at the ramen noodles. I ate a lot of kimchi, meat, everything, every Korean food. There's so many cigarettes here in Korea.
Yung record mo yung sasabihin ni Joanne. Pero huwag mo iparinig sa kanya kasi
Guys, we're here back at the apartment, and we're gonna eat the food from 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven ba yun? From the convenience store.
so, yun yung sinabi siya mga babae. Ganda.
Mega chain talaga.
Yun yung una natutunan ni during campaign.
Marapapapa.
concepts na.
Sarap to sa beer, eh, no?
Mm.
Paliligo ka ba ba? Pagdating mo sa bahay, lagay mo dyan sa left.
So guys, we're done eating. I'm going to sleep now because tomorrow is another day. Today is full of sleeping and eating. Now, I need to sleep now.